Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode, and today we are going to learn about cron job. So there is a scenario, for example, generally in our day-to-day application, most of the events are triggered by our front-end applications or by users by clicking on buttons or by calling some APIs. For example, a user click on a button and server respond with appropriate data, but there are some scenarios where some kind of automated response. For example, if we book a appointment and we got a reminder just 15 minutes before that appointment, so these kind of actions, these kind of reminders, notifications are sent by the server to the user automatically. So in this video we are going to see how we can make these automated process, or how we can schedule tasks in our nestjs application. So for this I have a basic project with the name of cron job. For this we will install a dependency with the name of nestjs schedule with the help of npm install. So just npm install nestjs schedule. Alright, so our dependency has been installed. Let's clear the terminal. Here is our project. Here is our app controller, app module, and in app module we can see currently we have only a single service with the name of app service. So let's create another service with the name of task service. With the help of this command, let's generate service task no spec, and I'm going to create a function with the name of say hello, and I am going to say hello in this function. For now I will just create a console message, but in future you can put any logic in this method according to your requirements, such as sending notifications, sending reminders, or whatever you want. So let's run the project. Here is our min.ts. It means our current application is running on 3000. Just open the browser and open our current application, and here we can see hello world. It is coming from app service, from here, like return hello, and we are going to call our say hello function. So we are going to import task service and call our say hello function here, that will console this hello message in the CLI of our server. So just refresh it and we can see say hello. So now we are going to create a cron job. We can schedule these tasks with the help of these statics, and I'm going to explain how these 5 statics works. Here will be the seconds, and on second, minutes, and then here on third place you can define hours, and at the fourth place you can define the day of month, like 20th day of a month, like month of the year. Like we can give the day of the week, like Monday is the first day of the week. So let's demonstrate here. So I'm going to run a job on every 10th second of a minute. So and our server will say hello to us on every 10th second. Just give the number and save it here and wait. All right, we can see hello at the 10th second. I simply give it static here, so it will run on every second, and we can see a continuous stream of say hello, say hello, say hello. It is not generally preferred, but in my local system you can see 44, 12:44, and I suppose I am going to run a task at 45 minutes of every hour. So you can see how we can do that here on 45. All right, so you can see it is saying hello hello at 45. Yeah, but if you want to see this message only once, so you can set the value of the seconds to the 0, so it will execute only once at 53 minutes. Just save our code and rerun it, and let's wait for 53. All right, so we can see our cron job run for one time only at 53 minutes, and we can explore it further. Like currently my local time is 12:53. So if you want to run a cron job on every day between 12 to 1 p.m. at 54 minutes, so you can simply run it like this. Same here, if you want to run this job for from Monday to Fridays, so you can simply use this hyphen for the range variable, and this job will run on first 5 days of the week. It makes the process a bit complicated, so let's just simplify it in a way. It provides us a cron expression enum, and we can use the variables from here. So it has a wide range how we can run our cron jobs. Or as currently you can see, my cron job will run on every 5 seconds. So if you don't want to schedule your cron job manually with the help of that statics, high and hyphen and stuff like that, so you can simply use cron expression, and you can schedule your cron job easily. That's all for this video, and I take help from this article of the code mode. So the link for that is in the description, and this topic is more elaborated and explained here, and you can follow for the commands as well. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel. It will help us to create more useful content. Have a nice day.